This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Desi-style pasta. First, select your preferred pasta shape, like pen or elbow macaroni. Bring about 4 cups of water to a rolling boil, adding a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of oil to prevent sticking. Cook the pasta until it's perfectly al dente, typically for 8 to 10 minutes, then drain it well and set it aside. This ensures your pasta has the right texture for our flavorful Desi sauce. Now, let's build the heart of our Desi pasta, the sauce base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes beautifully golden brown. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add 1 chopped tomato, cooking it down until it softens and blends into the mixture, creating a rich foundation. Time to infuse our sauce with authentic Desi flavors. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to the pan. Stir in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala for that signature aroma. Now, incorporate about half a cup of your favorite mixed vegetables, such as peas and diced carrots. Cook this vibrant mixture for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the spices to bloom and the vegetables to soften slightly. Almost there. Now, carefully add your perfectly cooked pasta to the aromatic Desi sauce in the pan. Gently toss everything together, ensuring each strand of pasta is thoroughly coated with the flavorful sauce. For a fresh finish, garnish with a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro and a squeeze of bright lime juice. Serve your homemade Desi-style pasta hot and savor every delightful bite. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.